Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George.
The Horse and the Stag. Long ago, there was a horse that lived in a large green prairie. He lived there with no other animal to bother him. The horse had been living in this place for many, many years. One day, a young stag came into the same field to run about. So, the stag crushed the grass, which was the horse's food, causing a lot of damage. By the time, the horse had become quite old and weak. The horse began to chase the animal, as it was ruining his food. But the horse could not chase away the stag, and so he went up to a man who passing by the large green prairie. "Would you please do something before that stag will crush all of my grass?" pleaded the horse. The young man looked at the stag before answering. The young man looked at the stag before answering. "Yes, I will help you. But you must let me put on the harness, the saddle, and I will ride on your back." "Why do you have to ride on my back?" asked the horse. "So that I can catch up with the stag," answered the man. Hearing the answer, the horse agreed to his condition. After the young man had his weapons ready, he rode on the horse and went after the stag. The young man was able to kill the stag after a short while. The horse was very happy. The horse turned to thank the man for his help. "No need to thank me, because I will use you to work for me in return," said the man. From that time, the horse had become the riding and carrying animal for the man.